Today's video is sponsored by the team over at miningsyndicate.com. Have you always wished you could invest in an ASIC Bitcoin miner, but it was always financially out of reach? The team at miningsyndicate.com has a solution for you. miningsyndicate.com offers one of the first proprietary affordable ASIC split sharing programs in the industry. Fractional investing, instant hashing, and real miners. Start mining Bitcoin today in a matter of minutes with as little as $50. Visit miningsyndicate.com today for more details. Thanks again to miningsyndicate.com for supporting the hobbyist miner community. In today's video, we're going to go through a quick short guide on how to claim your remaining Ethereum on the HIVEON Pool. What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. Well, the Ethereum Merge was a few days ago, and if you haven't gone ahead and claimed your leftover Ethereum, in today's video, we're going to show you how to do that. So if you didn't hit the traditional threshold of 0.20 Ethereum, then you wouldn't have received a payout. But don't be concerned. I'm going to show you step by step how to go onto the HIVEON Pool and to go ahead and claim that remaining Ethereum. So let's dive into it. All right, miners, so I am logged into my HIVEOS, and I'll show you one of the rigs that I was mining on Ethereum, which was my Changeling rig. This was a bunch of 1060s, and these are not my individual GPUs. These are ones that I hosted for my cousin, actually. And I want to go through the steps to claim that payout for him. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what we need to do first is we need to get our Ethereum address. So within HIVEOS, you can locate it in a few different places. You can go into your wallet and you can locate it, or go into your actual Ethereum wallet and grab the address from there. Once you have it, go over to the website hiveon.net. I'll put that link up on the screen right now. Once you're over to hiveon.net, Ethereum Classic is actually the first one that comes up. So at the very top here, click on Ethereum. Once you clicked on Ethereum, it'll actually tell you it's impossible to keep mining Ethereum after the merge, but every end is a new start. Mine Ethereum Classic, Ravencoin, and the HIVEON Pool with 0% pool fees and get free access to HIVEOS. Woo! Okay. 𝐷𝐼, BTC, and LTC pools will be coming soon. That's awesome. Now, here's the part that really need to pay attention to. Request the funds withdrawn within 20 days from the date of the merge. The option will be available assumably up to October 5th. So if you're watching this on October 6th, you might be SOL. We'll have to see. So under the Ethereum address, paste in your Ethereum address that you used for mining on HIVEON. Click Explore. And at the top, you're going to see here, Ethereum has merged. If you've mined more than 0.0025 ETH, request the funds withdrawn within 20 days from the date of the merge. This option will be available presumably until the 5th. Hit the button check in the payouts tab, and then please claim your payout. If the claim payout button is unavailable, please get in touch with live chat. So let's go ahead here. It says check the payout. Go to payout tab and click check. And as you can see here, the claim status says unavailable, and authentication with the latest highest performing worker, and it gives the IP information there. Sorry, your claim status is unavailable because the threshold is not enough. You can change that setting though, and then there's a settings button here. So we're going to go ahead and click on settings. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to see here you have a few options. If you're at 0.2 Ethereum or higher, HIVEON is going to pay that fee for you. Well, we don't have that much. If we scroll up here, let's see, our remaining is actually 0.124444. So what you need to do is you actually need, which is about $187 right now. So we need to go down here where it says you pay the transaction fee. We're going to click on that. And then we need to come up here, payment threshold. And so we need to set the threshold here. So I'm actually going to go up and just copy what they're saying is the minimum amount, which is the 0.0025. And then you can set your 𝐴 as to how much you want it to be. In my case here, I'm not going to worry too much about the $2.53. You could adjust it. It's just saying up to that amount. So it's saying cash out my Ethereum up to the 𝐴 hitting 80 or $2.53. We're not even near that right now, so we'll be okay and good to go from there. And even here, recommended gas price 11. Okay, we'll try that. Sure. Why not? Perfect. So then it says here, you can go ahead and hit I agree and hit save settings. Okay, perfect. So it says your settings have been saved successfully. Okay, great. So now let's go back to the payout tab. And now look, ooh, it's available. So you see at the top how it said, you know, we kind of had to do things in reverse. So we had to go ahead and change our payout threshold amount. And then the next step we had to do was now come over to the payout tab. So if you guys are watching this again, go to payout settings first, adjust your threshold to the minimum, then go to the payouts tab. So now that we're on the payouts tab, check it out. Claim status available, requests now. Now, timeout here. Something that they do, just to be sure, is if you check up here, authenticated from latest highest performing worker IP and the IP address, make sure that you are doing this from the home's IP address that you mined from for that IP or for that wallet. So that's just allowing that like someone else can't claim it and things like that. So just make sure that you're doing this from the location that you mined from. So now that we've gone ahead and do that, you can see here unpaid balance 0.12444. My threshold is at 0.0025, and it goes ahead and shows the estimated Ethereum fee, which is barely anything there. And we can hit request now. Payout has been requested. Bam, we're good. And that's it, guys. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Now, you may not get that Ethereum in your wallet right away. As you can imagine, HIVEON is getting hammered with these requests right now, especially just a few days after the Ethereum merge. And also you have to keep in mind too is the 𝐴 11 or below? Because remember we said 11 was we took the recommended amount, which HIVEON was recommending. So keep an eye on things right now. You can come back in here and take a look and check it out. If for some reason you run into too many challenges, you can always reach out to their live chat on HIVEON. But yeah, simple and easy to do. Well, guys, if this was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. Take care.